Now let's talk about antennas. So wireless near 5G or 5G ready devices available now. What's the other half of the solution? And Marcus was right, it is antennas. So let me introduce the Puma 401 5G ready multicellular antenna system with GPS receiver. This is a high gain antenna. It is a 4x4 MIMO built in. So there are 4 elements in here with 4 wires coming out. It is 5G ready. It is tuned for under sub-6 gigahertz spectrums and has 1 GPS. So you can see the wideband frequencies operate between 698 up to 3800 megahertz. So that's where the sub-6 is. In most countries with 5G right now, it's between, I believe, 3.5 on average, 3.5 gigahertz. So it's perfectly 5G ready. So these are the specifications, just for you to remember. We do have, so we have SMA connectors, and we do have a QMA version for our Cat18 MBX because QMA connectors are smaller and they fit in a much denser profile. Now, how will you use this antenna? So I want to ask Marcus or any radio engineers, what does 6 dBi gain give you in terms of relative performance to standard antennas? So first we have Cat18 modems, 4x4 MIMO, and we're going to use a high gain. How does that complement a high speed, high broadband wireless solution? Marcus, or any radio engineers, what does 6 dBi gain offer? Okay, so that Marcus is answered. So just to let you know, Marcus is one of our partners. He's actually a radio engineer. So he just said by using a high dBi, you double the signal strength. So if you're using a mobile solution like transport, marine, mobile command center, or you're moving around, and you want to capture the best signal quality, no matter where you are, in country or near country or offshore or close to shore, high dBi gain antenna is the other half of the solution. You need a good, robust solution like a Max or X series device. You also need a technology that allows you to maximize the performance of those devices, like speed fusion bonding. But you do need to consider an antenna solution if you're out of the city or if you're in a highly competitive environment, such as an urban CBD, where everybody's using mobile devices and competing for that signal. That's right, Kingsley. And Adrian, thank you. High throughput with improved signal to noise ratio. For salespeople out there, antennas is 50% of the solution. So we don't actually only have one antenna. We have many different antennas. I'm not going to go through all of it. That's for you to find out, and it's going to be asked during the testing. But here are some of the things that you can do with our antenna solutions. We have urban site deployments. We have directional and omnidirectional. We have remote site solutions, again, directional and omni, and mobile deployments. So this is where all the scenarios you can use a good antenna. Hi, Tobias. The standard connection cable length, I believe, is 3 meters. So at least 2 or 3 meters. Yeah, it's about 2 meters, that's correct.